Hello everyone, welcome back to LearnOGrow. In this video we are going to see how to insert custom page margin in this Word. Firstly we will see some default page margin and the changes it creates, and then we will go to custom page margin and we'll make it for Poem. So, hope you do like and subscribe the channel for this video, and many more on the platform. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope this channel added in your knowledge list. Thank you.